For introduction, TikTok is a social media platform launched by ByteDance in 2016 that allows users to create and share short-form videos, often set to music or sound effects. Known for its personalized For You page powered by an advanced algorithm, TikTok quickly became a global phenomenon after merging with Musical.ly in 2018. Today, it has millions of downloads worldwide and is a hub for viral trends, creative expression, and digital marketing, shaping modern internet culture in profound ways. For our objective, the first one is to investigate patterns and trends in the data to determine whether longer videos are related to higher or lower levels of engagement. Second is to examine the datasets distribution of videos engagement statistics, including the number of views, likes, shares, downloads, and comments. The third one is to use statistical methods like correlation analysis to determine which engagement measure is most significantly impacted by video time. Fourth, to determine whether certain duration ranges consistently outperform others by comparing the engagement performance of short duration and long duration videos. And lastly, to give advertisers and content creators data-driven insights on how video duration could impact audience attraction and exposure on TikTok. Studying TikTok is important because of its significant impact on current business, culture, and communication. TikTok, one of the social media platforms with the fastest pace of growth, has completely changed how people, particularly younger generations, produce and use content. TikTok research is crucial because it offers opportunity on creativity, digital behavior, and psychological aspects of short-form media. It also highlights how communities develop online, how trends spread around the world, and how the platform affects identity and self-expression. Studying TikTok from a business perspective helps companies and marketers in discovering customer interaction, brand awareness, and the function of influencer marketing. It clarifies social issues including digital literacy, privacy, and the distribution of false information.
So here we have chapter 2, which is data. Data, we have two data, which is video duration second and video share count. And the second one is types of variable, which is continuous variable. And the third one is level of measurement, which is ratio. Now we move to the formula. Now we have 5 formula there. Mean equals to total x over n. And median equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. And the standard deviation one is s equals to total square root of total x minus total mean square over n minus 1. The next one is simple linear regression, which is y equals to a plus bx. And the last one is Pearson correlation coefficient, which is r equals to total xy minus total x times total y divided by n over square root of total x square minus total x square over n times total y square minus total y square over n. So we have two graphs here, which is histogram and scatter plot. The left one is histogram, which is histogram of video duration x-axis, and the video share count, which is y-axis. And the right one, we have scatter plot, which is same one, scatter plot of video duration x-axis also, and video share count and y-axis.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zainur Amira binti Jalan and I will present about results and interpretation. This is the set of data we use in our report. This is our histogram of video duration and video share count. This histogram is skewed to the right. It is positively skewed. For descriptive statistic analysis, this is summary statistic of video duration and video share count. For sample size, we use 30 and video share count also 30. For the mean for video duration, it 32.0667 and video share count is 3511.116.1333. And for median for video duration is 31.5 and for video share count is 18372. For minimum of video duration is 10 and video share count is 29. For maximum is 59 and for video share count is 193911. And for standard deviation of video duration is 14.4793 and video share count is 4789.8292. So we will get into correlation and regression analysis. This is scatter plot of video duration and share count. There is a correlation between video duration X and video share count Y. This scatter plot have a weak positive correlation. Okay, for D is simple linear regression output. B is value of the correlation coefficient. R equal to 0.107. This indicates a very weak positive correlation, meaning video duration has almost no linear relationship with shape mount. Okay, C is equation of the regression line. Y equal to A plus Bx. A is 32.2500 and B is minus 3.0620 multiply 10 to minus 5. Okay, so we will fill in y equal to 32.2500 minus 3.00620 multiplied by 10 minus 5x. This is an example of relation using the regression equation. For example, if a video duration x is 16, then y will be 32.2500 minus to 3.062 multiplied by 10 to minus 5 in a bracket 16 and we will get 32.24995. For it is discussion of the slope of the regression line and its meaning. Value of slope b is minus 32.2500, which means that for every 1 unit increase in video duration, the video share count is expected to increase by approximately 332 shares on average. For f, value of r squared for the regression model and interpretation of its meaning. Value of r squared is 0.0115. The r squared value is 0.0115 means that video duration explains only about 50% of the variation in video share count. This indicates a very weak relationships between the two variables.